Stop scrolling. Are you tired of bloated, resource-hogging Linux distros? Do you crave speed and efficiency? Then you need to know about Sparky Linux. The brand new 2025.03 release is here, and it might just be the best lightweight distro of the year. Let's dive in. Sparky Linux 2025.03 is a semi-rolling release based on Debian testing, bringing you the latest and greatest software. We're talking Linux Kernel 6.12 LTS right out of the box, with options for 6.113, 6.6, and 6.1 available in the repos. Choose the kernel that works best for you. Desktop environment lovers, rejoice. This release features the newest XFCE 4.20, LXQt 2.1, Mate 1.26, and OpenBox 3.6.1, so you've got plenty of choice. Plus, it's packed with updated software. Midori 11.5, Thunderbird 128.7.0 ESR, LibreOffice 24.8, and VLC 3.021. Keep an eye out for Firefox 136 in the repositories too. The Calamares installer gets a refresh to version 3.3.14, now built with Qt 6. It makes installation even smoother, mostly. Okay, let's be real. There's a hiccup. Full disk encryption and root partition encryption are currently not working in the Calamares installer. But don't panic. You can still encrypt your home partition using the Sparky CLI installer. It's a workaround for now. Now, where's the KDE love? The KDE ISO is paused while the developers tackle the Plasma 5 to 6 transition. If you need KDE, grab the 2024.12 ISO for now. Also, the UKUI desktop is temporarily suspended due to technical issues. So, who is Sparky Linux for? It's perfect for Linux newbies looking for a lightweight and easy-to-use distro, experienced users who want a fast and customizable base, anyone with older hardware who wants to breathe new life into their machines, people who value privacy. Ready to give Sparky Linux 2025.03 a try? Head over to the Sparky Linux website, link in the description below, and download your preferred version, LXQt, Mate, XFCE, OpenBox, or CLI. Remember, the live user password is live, and the root password is blank. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Linux goodness, and let me know in the comments what you think of Sparky Linux. Thanks for watching.